going to talk just about visual pathway just for a moment. It's really the smell sense. It is almost a direct pathway from your nose to your brain.
It's after 6 p.m. on a school night and class is still in session. The roster of students looks like that of a typical classroom, only the names on this list are usually the ones calling roll. They are members of the Alamo Heights ISD family of colleagues, and they are gathered to improve their knowledge to help better prepare their children. Throughout the spring of 2011, 48 teachers, administrators, and counselors from 3 district campuses came together for a monthly study group.
Also tonight we're going to look at visual perception. You know, what you see versus what someone else sees.
The goal of this group was to find ways to link current research from neurobiology and psychology with classroom practice. Each month, the group focused on a specific topic: basic brain functions and communication, memory, perspective, learning disabilities, and emotions. In addition to the core text, Teaching with Poverty in Mind by Eric Jensen, group members read journal articles by Nobel Prize winner Eric Kandel and Harvard professor Kurt Fisher.
Educating them to feel like, yes, they can do this. Because a lot of them like, I don't know what to do. It's been 40 years since I've raised a kid. And I don't, you know.
He says stop thinking
giving them tools
and start doing integration.
Oh, and
Or acceleration.
it's just a way of changing your schema for the intervention.
A group online wiki space served as a depository for questions, resources, and reflections.
Those billboards that flash, you have to really focus on your driving to not look at that, because we are hardwired to focus on changes in the environment. Think about in the classroom. We're not focused. We are not hardwired to focus on static, still, visual information. What do we give kids most of the time?
Led by fellow colleague and project initiator Jimmy Walker, the Brain Study Group explored new ways of interpreting what they see and hear, much like their students do in their classrooms on a daily basis.
We want to meet children's needs. We want to meet all children's needs.
The study was made possible through generous funding from organizations like the Alamo Heights School Foundation, who paid for the books and sent 4 group participants to a workshop by the book's author. Walker was provided wonderful extension opportunities through summer studies and research at Harvard, which were funded through grants from both the AHISD and NEA foundations.
$1,000 for your school.
Funding innovative ideas and initiatives supporting education and educators for many years, the Alamo Heights School Foundation, HEB, and NEA foundations allow teachers to extend their minds and abilities through a better understanding of brain functions, ensuring an engaging education for all children. For Alamo Heights ISD, I'm Patty Pavlik-Perales.
I got it! I got it!